In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Google Chrome is not loading whenever you're trying to search any kind of things. If that's not working, then how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, there are some reasons why this is happening. So first and foremost step is all about you have to click on the three dot menu over here and directly navigate to the settings. Now from here, you have to go to the privacy and security. From here, what you need to do is you just need to go to the delete browsing data. And what you need to do is you have to change the mode to all time over here. And right now, you need to go over here, put a check on browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images, files, download history, and all those things. Everything should be selected from here and go for delete data. Once the data is deleted, you have to check, and that is very important. And also afterwards, if you're still having an issue, then the issue might be because of the extensions. So to do so, what you need to do is you have to click on the three dot menu and navigate to over here, and you can see the extension. You have to click on manage extension. So right now there might be an extension, not this one. Apart from this, you might be having a VPN extension or something which is causing the trouble. So if you find any extension that is related to the VPN or something, you just need to turn it off, or either you can remove it. Both are fine, but what I'm saying is you can go for just turn it off, and you have to check. Also afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, you can just go to your Google Chrome, click on three dot menu and directly navigate to the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is that's an option called reset setting. You have to click on this one, and from here reset setting to their original defaults and go for reset settings here. Once it is done, what you need to do is you have to check with it, and that might work as well. Next one is all about you have to go over here, search here for the settings. Now click on the settings, and what you need to do is you just need to go over here to the network and internet, and the reason is go to the VPN. If any kind of VPN is turned on, that is the reason. So you have to turn off the VPN. That is very important. And also parallelly go over here for the apps. Sometimes, like I said, the apps might be having any kind of glitches and all those things that might be causing the issue. So it's all about we have to just uninstall it and we have to reinstall it back. So just go over here. You can just go over here, search here for Google Chrome. So what happens is the Google Chrome will be popping up. So all we have to do is just wait. So over here you can see this is the Google Chrome, and click on the three dot menu and go for uninstall it. Then you just need to reinstall it back, and most probably that's going to help. So these are the steps, and I hope this cake video is helpful. That's it. Bye.